Hello everyone, and welcome. Get ready to be amazed, because tomorrow night the moon will transform into a glowing red orb, what we call a blood moon. But what's really happening here? Stick with me, because I'll explain the science, from celestial mechanics to atmospheric optics, that paints the moon red. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, have you ever seen a blood moon before? Let's start with celestial mechanics. A lunar eclipse happens when the Sun, Earth, and Moon align in a perfect straight line. Here, Earth blocks sunlight, casting a giant shadow into space. This shadow is what the Moon passes through. Quick check. Does this alignment already sound exciting? Drop a yes if you're with me. Now, Earth's shadow has two parts. The penumbra, a lighter outer shadow, where sunlight is only partly blocked. And the umbra, the darkest inner shadow, where Earth blocks sunlight completely. The Moon first enters the penumbra, dimming slightly, then moves into the umbra. And that's when the magic begins. Have you noticed this dimming before an eclipse? Tell me in the comments. Now here's the real beauty, the physics of red. This is where atmospheric optics, the Rayleigh scattering, comes in. Sunlight has many wavelengths. Blue light has short wavelengths. Red light has longer ones. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, which acts as filter, causes the short blue light to get scattered away. The reason behind our sky is blue. However, the red light bends and travels into Earth's shadow, and softly lights up the moon. So what you're seeing is every sunrise and sunset on Earth, happening at once, reflected on the moon. But not every blood moon looks the same. Sometimes it's bright red, other times darker, almost copper or brick red. Why? Because Earth's atmosphere changes. A clear atmosphere means a vivid red moon. But if there's dust or smoke, the red light gets weaker, and the moon looks darker. Next time you see a blood moon, notice its shade. It tells us about Earth's air. Now for the practical part, when to watch. On September 7th, the total lunar eclipse will last an incredible 81 minutes. In Bengaluru, it begins at 11 p.m., peaks at 11:44, and ends at 12:22 a.m. Plenty of time to watch this cosmic show. Are you planning to watch it live? Comment, I will, below. How to watch? Good news. Unlike a solar eclipse, it's safe to view with the naked eye. For best results, head to an open rooftop or park away from city lights. And if you have binoculars or a telescope, the details will be breathtaking. Would you watch with your eyes, or through a telescope? Share below. If clouds block the view, don't worry. Apps like Stellarium or Skyview can guide you to the moon's position in real time. Pretty cool, right? Thank you for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed this video and want more science explained simply, hit subscribe, and join me on more cosmic and physics-specific journeys.